Hi everyone! In this video we're going to review one popular and affordable clear case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's the Spigen Liquid Crystal. We're going to see how it looks and how it feels, and by the end of this video you'll know if this case is good for you. Let's get into it. And here it is. There's something else as well. Lens and screen cleaning wipe. Good, nice bonus. But now the case itself. Looks good. It's a clear case, having the Spigen logo on the side. This is a very simple kind of clear flimsy case, but you can see right through it, so it shows off the color of your phone. The case does feel good in the hand and has a nice grip to it. Let's have a look at the weight. 32 grams. Now let's put it on. Yeah, we got a nice snap. It's good, especially for this kind of case. It does have a nice grippy feeling. I like it. And it is really slim, not bulky at all, showing the design and the color of your phone nicely, and giving some protection. I wouldn't want to do any drop test from high, as this is such a slim and soft case, but this should protect your phone from minor drops. Buttons are easy to press, a little bit clicky. We've got separated volume buttons, action button feeling good. For the camera control button, there's a cutout. It doesn't really bother as the case is so slim. And maybe now, when we're talking about clicking buttons, it's good time to click that like button. If we take a look at it from the side, you can see it's got a slightly raised edge around the camera module and the front screen. It does have these little bubbles in the corners for some extra drop protection, with the text air cushion technology. Small openings for the speaker and USB-C connector. It does a good job at keeping the fingerprints down. And obviously, as the case is so slim, this case also works with regular wireless charging. So yeah, my hands-on feeling about the Spigen Liquid Crystal clear case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max is really positive. I like it. And for anyone who doesn't want a bulky case and wants to see that phone color, this is a good choice. But bear in mind, as this is a really slim and soft case, there are limits on how high drops it can protect. And of course, I would love to hear your comments about this. Do you have one, or what is your phone case? Hopefully this video was useful. Please smash that like button if it did. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.